Welcome to Watchdog tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about analytics and how you can use it on Watchdog platform for your chatbot building experience. So for analytics, it is very useful to track the total number of users doing what kind of particular things in the chatbot and how they are interacting in the chatbot. These analytics are actually displayed in our Chatbot Builder dashboard. Right now you will see no data because I haven't had any interaction with the chatbot yet, as shown on the right. So now I'm going to demonstrate some interaction with the chatbot. So I'm just going to introduce this chatbot very quickly, and then I'm going to apply analytics to this chatbot. So this chatbot is a chocolate shop, and if you select check out our chocolate, it will choose you to check out which chocolate. Let's say I'm interested in white chocolate, and then it will send out the product of the white chocolate. So to apply analytics, now I'm going to add some analytics to the dark chocolate. Just click on the tree node of dark chocolate and then toggle on analytics. And then you will see three things that you can input. First is category, second is action, and the third field is label. So for category, you can simply just set chocolate shop chatbot. So for the first category, it is like a general category of your chatbot. So if you, let's say if you have multiple chatbots, like chocolate shop chatbot or a dessert chatbot, you can input it here. And then for action, it is actually the second layer of the category. So let's say this category is product. And then the third one is the more specific label, which is dark chocolate. So this is how you can simply categorize your labels and member tags. So inside the category of chocolate shop chatbot, there's the category of product, and under product there's dark chocolate. Three categories, three layer of categories. Now I'm just going to type in dark chocolate. Okay, so now the system in the backend has logged that I have typed in dark chocolate. And then I'm going to set up white chocolate analytics too. So I'm scrolling down and I'm setting up the analytics. So I can just select chocolate shop products, and then now I will type white chocolate instead of dark chocolate. So that now whenever users has typed white chocolate or dark chocolate, it will be logged as an analytics point, and this data will be displayed on the dashboard. Now I'm just going to analytics, and then I'm filtering for today, and then I will apply. And now you can see that there's one count of chocolate shop category. So inside the chocolate shop category, there is a product, and inside the product there's dark chocolate. Now you may notice that the white chocolate is not here. The reason why is because it takes a while for the white chocolate to load. Usually after you have typed in the chatbot message, if you have inputted set up the analytics, maybe you need to wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the dashboard to update. Now that's why it only updated the dark chocolate, because this is the first one we inputted. Okay, so now I'm going back and refresh again, and then now you can see the white chocolate is also updated. Now you can see that there is a count and unique count. Unique count means that there is only one user that has mentioned dark chocolate, which is myself. And count means how many times dark chocolate is mentioned in the chatbot. So let me type dark chocolate again. And after that, I'm going to also type white chocolate again. So what it does is, later on you will see that the total count of dark chocolate will become 2 and white chocolate will also become 2, because I have interacted and said white chocolate twice and dark chocolate twice. Now I'm going to go back, and you can see that the total count here is 4 because I mentioned 4 times of white chocolate and dark chocolate. And then wait a second to refresh. Now you will see that dark chocolate has 2 counts and white chocolate has 2 counts. Another thing you can apply to see the data more clearly is to plot a graph. So let's say you want to see how many dark chocolate against the total. So you will just select dark chocolate, and then you will see that dark chocolate constitute half of the total count of the data, of the chatbot data today. You can also select the data and then export the chart or export the table. Let's say I'm exporting the chart and also exporting the table. Now, if you export the table, you will see both the number of count and number of unique members, which is the unique count. If you export the chart, you will see that each day, it will list out each day how many total counts of dark chocolate and white chocolate there are. Okay. So this is how you can make use of analytics, and it is very useful to check which part of your chatbot is more popular and which part is less popular, and then you can use it to improve your chatbot performance and also update new contents to your chatbot. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Thank you and have a nice day.